Hello class, good morning. How are you? I think you all are good. This is Jyoti Bujware, your English spoken teacher. I am here to teach you English spoken. So let's start. You know, dear student, nowadays all students and other peoples, we can say that job workers or other person are also facing too much problem to learn English, and nowadays it's a trending to learn this language. So I am here to teach you how you can learn this language and how you can get command over this language. I am here to teach you basic level and intermediate level and advanced level of this language. You know, dear student, some people when they start to they want to learn English, so they don't want to do practice, only they want how we can learn it, but without doing practice, without knowing about that language, how you can get command over this. First you have to start from a basic. You will have to know about the fundamental things, like basic things like a vocabulary, verb, tenses. You will have to know about all the things, and after that, after knowing about the sentence, after that you have to practice more and you have to improve your self confidence also. All the things are very important for learning English. You only by knowing about the verbs and tense and all the things, other things, you cannot speak English very well. First things you have to know, after that you have to practice it more and more and more. And how much practice you will do, you will speak English very fluently, and it will be very wonderful opportunity for you to learn it. So I am telling you how you can start it. When you are learning it, first start from scratch. It means basic things you have to learn. Like if we are starting anything, so know about one quote ki a journey of thousand meals begins with a single step. So we have to know about that. We have to take one step, and after that we have to do step by step, and then we will get something. We can get command over that language. We can be it can be a very maybe hard or maybe tough, but it's not too much tough. It's a very easy to learn, but you will have to do it. You will have to give your time, you have to give your best, and after that it will be very workful for you. It means, just say it, you like next day is your exam and you will not prepare for that. So if you will learn something and you will utilize your time and you will prepare yourself, after that you can give exam, and you will have a satisfaction, and after that you can give exam. Otherwise you will not be satisfied about that. You say only, oh, I will not read, I will not learn anything, and I will give exam. So that will be not satisfying for you. So I think for getting command over that language, we will have to also learn vocabulary and tenses. That is very important, and other of things, practice is more important. Debates we have to do, we have to improve our confidence level. If we want to go for interview anywhere, so we should have a confidence. We have to grow our confidence also. Our communication skills should be very good, and other skills should be very good. So we have to be continue about that. So first we will learn basic, then intermediate, then advanced. So basic, fundamental first we have to complete. After that intermediate level, that will be like something we know and something we don't know, so that we can also improve. And after that, when you will cross your intermediate level, after that you will go in advanced, and that if you will be above of that, so you will be a fluent over that language, and that will be a wonderful opportunity for you to improve yourself. And people judge ourselves by our confidence, by our talking skills, by our communication skill, and we have to do that. We have to break it. So thank you, dear student. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Thank you.